Chapter 9. Bride, Groom, and Dog. As they went into church, Ellie could hear the murmur of excitement. Then the music started. Rascal pricked up his ears and glanced around curiously. "Be good," she whispered to him. As she started to follow Grandma and Auntie Gemma down the aisle. The train of Auntie Gemma's dress was whispering over the stone. Guests, there were delighted gasps and murmurs as guests turned to look at Auntie Gemma. She did look so lovely, but Ellie was pretty sure she heard several people oohing and ahhing as Rascal went past. Everyone seemed to be smiling. Rascal, for once, was behaving perfectly, sitting still in her arms and showing off his green bow. The big car was a little surprised to see a dog, though. At the front of the church, Gemma handed her flowers to Leon, and she and Ellie went up to stand next to Mom. Ellie blinked. She would forgotten about the fascinator. It looked beautiful, though the green and black feathers were really striking. "Ellie, what happened?" Mom whispered us. For as soon as they were supposed to be seeing him, they thought Rascal was going to be staying with Christy. "Christy!" Ellie had forgotten. She was worried at Leila. "It's okay," we ran into her on the way to find you. "Rascal went to sleep on my flowers, Mom." Ellie whispered. "They're ruined." I got really upset, and she did. Want to worry Mom that much, but it was Max's idea to carry Rascal in school instead. He saw it in a really smart letter magazine. She finished hurriedly. "Well, you better make sure he behaves," Mom hissed. "And I need to talk to you about my fascinator, young lady." By the time Ellie and Mom caught up with each other, shuddered in the service. Mom heard so many people compliment Auntie Gemma and Liam and Ellie on what an original idea it was to bring Rascal along, and how beautifully he behaved, that she didn't say anything about him at all. Rascal hadn't even minded when everyone threw confetti all over him. It just made him sneeze. Ellie found Mom talked to her cousin Susie, who she knew Mom didn't really like very much, because Susie was always trying to show off how glamorous she was. Mom was smiling through as Susie moved off to talk to someone else. She gave Ellie a hug. Ellie stared after Susie. "What was she wearing?" Mom nodded. "The same exact fascinator that I was. Before you customized it, that is." "I'm really sorry, Mom. It was on a chair in the kitchen. You know what Rascal's like." "You should have left it there." "But thank goodness I did, Ellie. As Susie was stated going on with me, she would have looked better in that purple fascinator than I did. And it would have really spoiled my day. Mom laughed, and instead she was looking at mine as she was jealous. Hey, Christy helped me, Ellie explained. She had some spare feathers and sequences. I wanted to tell you what happened next time, but I could never find the right time. Never mind, and I can't believe how good school is being. I know. Ellie had Rascal on his leash now, and he was sitting behind her, looking at her like butter when it melted now. Actually, because I think he got scared of the horses. Oh, really? Can we get one? Mom said jokingly. Oh, wait, it's time for the photographs. Ellie had thought that Auntie Jim would want Rascal in the photos, but when she tried to leave him around with Granddad, Auntie Jim was drowned. Where's Rascal, Ellie? He has to be in the photos, too. He looks so lovely, and he's been so good. Ellie gaped at her. The photographer nodded that he's a natural dog. I already got some beautiful pictures of him in the church. He really adds something special to the photos. Ellie went pink with pleasure. He has been in the dog food commercials, she told the photographer. He's a bit of a star.